Coming to the chapter number 15, Anna Hazare, a social worker. Now, who is a social worker? A social worker is a person who works for the good of a society and for the benefits of the society. So, social worker in Hindi we say समाज सेवी, वह व्यक्ति जो समाज की बेहतरी के लिए कुछ करता है, अपना एफर्ट्स देता है, उसको हम समाज सेवी कहते हैं। तो समाज सेवी में जाहिर हैं बहुत हाई वैल्यूज़ होती होंगी, उसके सैद्धांतिक नैतिक सैद्धांतिक मूल्य बहुत ऊंचे होते होंगे। ठीक है, तो ये कौन कौन से वैल्यूज़ हैं? नंबर 1 इज़ द सर्विस टू अदर. It means always he is for servicing for the people, for the society. Number 2 is social justice. He always fight for the injustice happening in the society and works for the social justice. He works for the dignity of the person and he gives importance to the human relationship. मानवीय संबंधों को ज़्यादा महत्व देना. Then number 5 is integrity. He is having a quality of honesty and a strong moral principles. Okay, now coming to the next one, he is a competent person. He is always competitive person. He always used to struggle for his aim. So such kinds of qualities, high qualities are in a social worker, and in that one major name is Anna Hazare. Now we are seeing here the introduction of Anna Hazare. Anna Hazare was born in 15 January 1940 in Bhinagar village of Ahmednagar district of Maharashtra state. So he belongs to Maharashtra state and the district is Ahmednagar, the village is Bhingar. His father name is Baburao Hazare and mother name is Lakshmi Bai, Shri Lakshmi. His parents christened him as Kisan Bapat Baburao Hazare. So his name was Kisan Bapat Baburao Hazare and he was being raised up by a childless aunt. Now he pursued his studies just up to 7th standard for some family problems. So what we see that till 7th standard he had got education and then in 1963 he joined Indian Army as a tribal and he worked for that Indian Army for 15 years and he also was posted to many states like Sikkim, Leh, Ladakh, Assam, Bhutan. All are the places, even the Mizoram, all are the stations which are having the harsh weather condition. Okay. Then in 1965 he also participated in Indo-Pakistan war in which he was escaped death in air strike and other his companions were died in this strike. So after then he took a voluntary retirement from the army service in 1978. So after the working of 15 years he left the army job.